I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from Phoenix.
Together, we're Phils to Phoenix,
Two countries.
one heart. And welcome to
Dude.
another episode of our Chikka Chikka.
It's kind of, sort of, maybe Monday night Chikka Chikka on Tuesday.
It's like
Or third? No, today's Thursday.
today's Thursday,
I
Philippine
love the
time.
Philippines. You don't even realize what day it is. I like this.
Yeah, it's Thursday here in the Philippines, so it's amazing though. It's like it's like 7 days from the day we arrive, because we arrive.
Well, 7 days from the day we left.
Okay, you're right.
That's what's kind of messed up flying here. That a day just kind of disappears.
Thursday, yeah, because we left Thursday. Yeah, that's right. And yeah, it was like it's a long flight.
Oh, it's
So we will just give you a recap on what we did for the past few weeks or past 7 days. I will say, it's
We got here on Friday night, the 27th,
yes,
and we stayed in a little hotel, and I'll post a little, it's like a 2-minute review of the hotel room, and that's about all there was of the hotel room.
yeah,
And that was at Resorts World, and the convenient thing on it is it was literally across the street from the airport.
yeah,
So that was a good thing.
yeah.
We met your brother.
Yes, and we wander around early in the morning. It seems like we don't feel jet lag though. Honestly, we don't feel jet lag. It's just like days.
Now that is the one kind of cool part to the flight, because we left at 9 o'clock on Thursday morning. And after going to Denver, to Tokyo, to Manila, we got to Manila at 9 o'clock Friday night.
Yeah.
So it was an apparent 36 hours, but sleeping across, because there's like nothing to see across the Pacific.
That's true.
And if you sleep well, if you get a few hours sleep that across there, it's kind of like just finishing out a really long day. So
That's true.
jet lag both times I've been here, jet lag never really hit.
Yeah, and take note, we didn't even take a ZQL though. We intended to buy the ZQL so we could sleep, but what happened is when we arrived in the Denver airport, it was so quick, it happened so fast, and we just put our baggage far away from our seat. Our seat is in aisle 30, and our baggage, our check-in baggage was in aisle 9 or aisle 19, right?
Yeah.
So it was like boom, 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 like it was really quick. So
Yeah, it was supposed to have been a 45-minute layover, but I don't think it was
it's just
20
less.
minutes.
Yeah, it was
We literally got off, deboarded one plane.
yeah,
Disboarded, deboarded? I don't know what you do when you get off the plane.
deboarded.
Walk,
I will say transfer connecting.
through the terminal,
Yeah,
and they'd already boarded our section, and there was no time.
that's true.
And then we took off for a 12-and-a-half-hour flight.
Yeah, and then have another like 4.5 or 5 hours from Tokyo to Manila. So yeah,
Yeah, it was like 4.5-hour flight from Tokyo to Manila. But at least we had a 2-hour layover there, so we had a chance to get off, stretch,
wander around.
wander around the airport a little bit, and got back on the plane. That wasn't too bad.
That's true. So
And then we flew into Manila
here to
9 o'clock at night. The video that I just previously posted, that was kind of like about an 8-minute recap of
Yeah.
20-hour flight. The actual time you're flying is about 20 hours total. It's a long flight,
yeah,
and with the issues I've been having on my back, that flight from Tokyo or from Denver to Tokyo, that was not a whole lot of fun.
Okay.
Probably going to see if we can rearrange our seats on the flight back
yeah.
to make it a little bit easier to get up and leave. And my light just died, and I don't have any backup lighting for it, so
We'll
you're going to
figure
have to give me a second while I go back and change the ISO and jack it up well enough to see. So give me a second. But I just had to go up and change the ISO on that and see. I'm hoping it's not going to turn out too grainy.
Yeah.
Remember how I showed you some of the pictures that you took at night.
Yeah.
You saw that grain and ick. That's kind of what I did to this, but I don't think I got it high enough to where it's going to get real bad grainy. If it does, I'm really sorry, but that was the other thing too. I forgot all of our chargers. Uh,
That's the music price at.
I got here and realized that I didn't have the camera chargers. This is actually running on a battery pack, so there may be a little bit of a buzz or a noise in there. I'm hoping it's not.
Yeah.
I haven't tried it with this microphone, which is why we're using this one. The other Rode Video Go mic that I've got, if you use the I've got an AC adapter for the camera for taking longer videos. And for whatever reason, on the Rode Video Go mic, there is a horrible clicking on
Yeah.
it that you just can't edit back out.
Yeah.
So I may wind up getting a new video mic
Yeah.
on that one just to cover for that, because I don't have a shotgun mic, and the camera's 10 feet away, so I can't use the on-camera mic. And we've got a little lapel mic. Show them the mic. Tilt the mic out.
There we go.
We've got a little lapel mic that
Yeah. So what else did you forget aside from the camera?
and that one I
Charger.
managed to discover when we were in Manila. And I called up my son, who's watching through Facebook Messenger, and he confirmed that all the batteries, all the battery chargers, and everything is sitting in their bag on the bookshelf at our house. So, and then when we got to Dumaguete,
Twink, 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 twink.
I brought out my computer, started doing a little bit of editing to it, noticed it needed to charge, went over to grab the charger, and lo and behold, there is no charger.
Anyways.
I managed to pack the computer and forgot to pack its charger, so.
Yeah, but
That one we're hoping to get another one. Kuya is looking in Manila that they may have one. And that would be good, but thankfully Cindy remembered not only her computer but her charger as well. So we are managing to get some editing done. And the Lazada here,
yeah.
I think has the Canon charger we need to charge the batteries. We're hoping. And we spent most of this week hitting up every cell phone shop and every place we could think of to find a USB mini connector so that we could at least charge the Dumaguete's batteries and camera. And I've got the one that's being charged, and I've got a spare. But as soon as this one's charged, I'll pull it out and charge the spare. So
Yeah.
at least we can use the action camera underwater when we go to Oslo tomorrow.
Yeah, so, yeah.
But we've been in Dumaguete for, since last
Saturday.
28th.
So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's been like five
5
days. 5 days and a
And
half.
We came to one decision.
Yeah.
We want to move back quick. I've whined a bit, and she's had a good sense of humor about me whining. And do I have to go back to Phoenix?
Yeah.
Yeah. Part of the reason for the timing on this trip was to see graduation, but that didn't happen.
Yeah.
And the bigger part of the reason for this timing, I'd heard so much about the miserable heat and insufferable, and it's not bad. The heat, it's uncomfortable, but it's a Florida summer. It's
bearable.
It's definitely bearable. I'd much prefer to have AC at night. And when we go to Sabonga, I'm actually going to try the 10 days we're in Sabonga without any AC at her parents' place. And I'm thinking it's going to be okay with a good fan.
Yeah. You will be right. If you don't sleep in the inside, you could sleep outside. So we'll put you the mosquito net, a mosquito net. You're like a king and put the mosquito net with the coconuts.
But we've managed to hook up with two of the expats that live here that have YouTube channels.
Yeah.
We've had breakfast with Bud Brown a couple times,
Yep.
and we've had breakfast with Rod Talton from Dumaguete Expat a couple times, and that was really cool that we got to meet. You met Rod, right?
No. Did you meet Rod?
You didn't meet Rod? I thought you did.
No.
Oops, I'm sorry.
I only met Douglas and Bud Brown.
We were going to go to Naturally Negros. It's a farm by deaf, for deaf, to give them life skills and to work with them and to develop a lot from areas that they just don't have the resources to
Yeah.
help. And we dropped off 10 Bibles to the Naturally Negros retail outlet here in Dumaguete. The farm is a little bit farther away than I really thought.
Mm-hmm.
And the gentleman that is helping run it at this point,
Yeah.
he was going and picking up chicken or quail,
Quails.
and he's going to the other side of the island. That he said it's like a 6-7 hour drive,
Yeah.
and he went over there Wednesday. He went over there Wednesday and was coming back today, so he wasn't going to be at the farm at all today. Monday we met with him, and he was in Dumaguete all day, so he wasn't out at the farm.
Yeah.
And then him and his wife had something to do Tuesday, so he wouldn't be at the farm. So basically we weren't able to get over there at all, which I kind of feel bad, because I was hoping to get some video from the farm. But there again, without any camera batteries or backup, I really couldn't have gotten any decent video to begin with. So,
Yeah.
but we are hoping to come back in November, so
Yeah, we'll see.
we'll see. So what's your opinion of Dumaguete?
It's actually a nice place. It's the ambience and the people are, I will say I like it so much. I like the place. Though you will be scared at first with the traffic. Oh, not traffic. Yeah, traffic, of course, especially pedestrian. But I feel
Crossing the streets like a living game of Frogger.
yeah, I feel like I feel like I lose a lot of time because I was in the U.S. and when I came back, it terrified me crossing the streets. So yeah, but anyways, this morning or the other day, I got comfortable again crossing the streets and not being terrified and like, oh, okay, just it get back to normal. But it takes days before I get normal. Because here it's city, but I could imagine we'll have some video that you could see. Just Sean will put up together. It was just and then what else? I like I just love it. I don't know what word I could describe.
She really loved dried fish all 5 days for breakfast.
It's not really dried fish. Oh yeah, there is dried fish for the last 3 days.
Oh, okay.
But there is fish, the consistent fish, the bangus, the milk fish, consistent for the last 5 days. You're correct with the fish, but not the dried. So, of course.
I'm not a big fish person.
So, yeah, I will have it moving forward in Cebu I have 2 meals set up like for John and for Mama and Papa and the rest of But anyways, I'm looking forward. I'm excited. We have 4 more weeks to go for this trip, so we'll see. I'm excited. And then, what else? Oh, we got a chance to go to the Apple Island.
We went to Apple Island. that I got a little bit of drone footage, not sure how well it came out. I was having some big issues that on the way over, you take these little bunker boats, and white guys just are not meant to be on these bunker boats. It was one of the smaller boats too.
Yeah. Yes.
But on the way over, the phone got splashed pretty good. And it's one of the Note 8s, so that I wasn't worried about the phone breaking because of the water. But something I didn't think about is the charger port where you plug into got a bunch of water in it. So I had to fight like crazy. I set the phone out in the sun to help let it dry. And it did dry, but the phone was overheating, and I couldn't see the drone through the phone well at all. And so I got what footage I could, and just took a lesson that when we get back, we're gonna get a dry bag, so that we've got a dry bag to go with.
Yep.
We're gonna get a spare set of chargers and just put them in the stinking bags. Then we're gonna get extra everything and just put them in the bag. Our power cables, power strips, we did the same thing with that.
Yeah.
Because on a couple of trips we'd forgotten them. IKEA had set on for like $4 for a pair of them, and so we just got 2 pair. Put one in my set, my bag, and one in your carry-on bag.
Yeah.
And they just stay there, so that way they don't get forgotten.
That's true.
And when we get back to the States, the chargers are dirt cheap.
Yeah.
So we'll just get an extra set and make sure that they're put in. And that way they won't get forgotten. But I did get a little bit of video. You got a little bit of video off the phone.
Yeah, we did.
I think I got a little bit of video on my phone.
It
Right now we've got a lot of video, and it's just a matter of trying to edit it back together. And again, I got the new computer just to do the video editing with a really good graphics card, with all that, and I just spaced and didn't bring it, so it's not only fighting some really slow internet uploading, but now I'm back to editing on a computer that's really not meant for it, so.
Yeah, but we have a lot of options. You just need to be lumbar flexible. So, like Bad Broad said, you just need to be flexible.
And it is.
And hey, I really appreciate your 4 times patient. So, double that.
Since I've been here, it's kind of like the stress just washed away.
Agree.
Normally in the States, when I forgot that stuff, I'd be all kinds of mad.
You get like, so
just stressing out over it. And
here, you just manage.
Here, I just took it with okay. Okay, what do we need to do? Just move on with life.
Until you figure out your plan Z, because we have a lot of letters in the alphabet, so.
Yeah, with a lot of the stuff that's went on, I think we're on a plan Z at this point.
Not yet, we didn't use up that
we're
yet.
We're heading there quick. But Monday night Chikka until the 4th of June is actually going to turn into recaps at the end of our timing.
Yeah, so but we'll be posting some videos. Hopefully John could have, we will have really good internet.
Cindy says there's an internet cafe in Sabonga.
Yeah, we do have.
And I know I'm going to have a lot of downtime with Cindy, with her family. So hopefully I can get a bunch of these edited and run down and post them as I can.
Yeah, but sometimes I will drag you alone, so we'll see.
Okay. Okay.
So, thank you. Are we done?
I think we're done.
Okay.
This is actually turned into kind of long, so.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching us. Hope you like.
Definitely hope you like, and
give us a comment, suggestion, ideas, what ways or how we could improve.
Definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And thank you so much.
Mabuhay!